Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Create here you can type your prompt. Click on Create. Here are the result. Click on an image to see it from here you can download it or save it or share. Let us try a different letter on a different background. Then click on Create. Follow this process. It or save it or share it. That is it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.